In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Squarespace. We'll walk through this process step by step to make sure you can easily customize your website with a stunning visual background. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already, open up Squarespace and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Take a look toward the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of the websites associated with your account. Choose the website you want to work on by selecting it from the list. Now that you've chosen your website, it's time to get into editing mode. We're going to start by clicking on the Edit button. This will allow you to make changes to different parts of your site. Once in the editing interface, focus on the section you want to enhance with a background image. Click on Edit section. This action will open up additional options for customizing that area. Within the Edit section menu, you'll see a background option. Click on that. You'll be presented with 3 choices for your background: image, video, and art. For this tutorial, we're going to choose image, so click on the image option. After selecting image, you'll be prompted to add an image for your background. You'll have several ways to do this. You can upload a file directly from your device, select from your existing library of images, browse stock images, or explore background images provided by Squarespace. Feel free to choose whichever option works best for you. Once you've located the file or image you want to use, click on it. As soon as you make your selection, the image will be displayed as the background on your site. After adding the image, you have the option to replace it or make further adjustments. You can select an image effect if you want to add a bit more style or flair to your background. Additionally, you can fine-tune the overlay opacity to achieve just the right look. Adjusting the opacity allows you to control how much of the underlying content is visible through the image. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is essential. Click Save. This action will ensure that all the changes you've made are stored and reflected on your live site. That's it. You've successfully added a background image to your Squarespace website. Thanks for following along and enjoy the new visual appeal of your site.